Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. We're coming to the end of 2022, an interesting year. 2021 and 2020 certainly delivered some interesting surprises, and so did 2022. But yet that's life. There's been plenty of changes domestically and internationally which have influenced our economy, and that will continue and always will. The most important part for us is what we do locally. And in our local market here, we've certainly seen some improvement in equity of properties, and demand for rentals and to buy have certainly increased, and we see that flowing into 2023. It'll vary from month to month because it does. That's just the way it works. Obviously, coming to the end of the year, can be quite quieter in December. People are fairly focused on the Christmas period and New Year period. Now, just in terms of some statistics I've seen about West Australia, we have had population growth of 0.4% back in the June quarter, and so they haven't released other figures since then, but that's an indication where we are. Basically, last year we had growth of about 1.3%, so where other states have been quite neutral on that, so we have had some growth. The national economy, West Australia's contributed 23% of the growth of the national economy, which is means that we're really punching above our weight, which is obviously shows how important mining is and other industries we have in behind. But certainly means that our economy, in some ways, is slightly independent in terms of how things are influenced, particularly on the real estate side. And I've had quite a discussion about that with people. You've got to remember that on the East Coast, they tend to have surges in real estate and then plunges. We tend to be more conservative, and we tend to have steady growth without so much of a dip at the end. So I can see that continuing through to 2023, steady growth. Now, the unemployment rate forecast for next year by the state government is 3.5%, so obviously our finance situation or people's employment will still be relatively strong, and our economy, they're expecting to see another growth of about 4.5%. So there's plenty of indications that 2023 will present plenty of opportunities. I think there's been plenty of surprises and twists and turns during 2022, and I think our economy's navigated through a number of challenging things happening, fuel prices, etc. So, but our unemployment rate seems to be staying very steady. So I think many of the catalysts or the influences that have improved our market in the last couple of years will still be there. I just don't think we'll have the surge. We probably won't be draining in the information that we're getting from the eastern states. We'll have more local focus ourselves, and I certainly think that things will go pretty well. But we're looking forward to 2023. Take this opportunity to thank everyone that has helped us during 2022, our clients and our future clients. We look forward to helping you. But in the meantime, if you have any thoughts on real estate, certainly welcome to inquire. We'll be back in full force as of the 3rd of January, and we look forward to speaking to you and helping you in 2023. All the best to you, your family, and hope it is a safe and enjoyable New Year's celebration.